Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. Here you can see it. So how we can fix it? First we need to go, so it's Windows cannot find error. So you go to search tab and just write in search tab, in search task, and here you will see task shelter. So just open it, and here you need to wait some time after it will load our task shelter. So we need to wait some time. So now you just go here, and here you will find your in actions, you will find your error. So here you will find path of your error, that in window you will see this path, and you just need to find this task here, and all of you need here you will see in status it will be working. So you just need to do end task or disable task. Here just click on disable. On task you find that also this task has here in directory, so it has path that you will see on this window that will open with error. So you just choose this task and just right click and choose disable. So after you do it, it will fix your error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.